Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a June Inku unboxing video for you and I'm really excited to see what they have. It's different this I don't know if you guys actually get the crate yourself as well, but usually these are photographs. Now they've turned them into like cartoons, which honestly I actually prefer the cartoons. They look way cuter. The photographs kind of look a bit strange because of the contrast, didn't seem to match. So I'm really excited to see what is in here. Let's just get right into it. So this looks like a little pouch, but there's a little strap here. Oh, okay. I think you put like tissues in here. Yeah, I think you'd put tissues in this one and this side. And there's a zipper up here so you can store other bits and pieces, maybe some cotton buds. I assume, like, I would probably use this more for self-care, sanitization, hygiene, that sort of thing, given that you can put tissues in here, and then just whatever else you would typically need, maybe medicine, I'm not sure. But I kind of like the idea of having this as the tissue holder so you don't need to carry like a separate case of tissues, which is what I usually do. So it's kind of a cool idea. And then this looks like this is glue. Yeah, definitely. I don't really want to open it, but I'm also very curious. Okay, it's sticky tape. I'm like, why is this not opening? It's it kind of reminds me of like a nail polish bottle. All right, there we go. So, okay, you guys see it's glue with, it literally is like nail polish, right? Because you have the brush at the end and then you paste it on. Okay, it's already kind of open, so I feel like I've got to start using this, otherwise it's going to dry up. I really love this. I don't have glue like this at all. Usually it's always like roller glue or stick glue, but not like this where you have the brush. But I will say, typically with these sort of glues, this area gets gunked up really easily. So you either use it really fast or you're just consistently peeling dried glue off the barrel section. And now we have some washi tape. This is so cute. I love this packaging. I think this shows you all the different types of designs that you can get. And it's kind of like maybe a mystery. Let's open it up and see which one we've got. And we have the purple one. It's so cute. And you guys can have a bit more of a close-up look. I don't really know if this is a particular series or anything, but it is really cute. Almost Halloweenish, kind of, because they've got ghosts and stuff like that. And then we have Arula Emotional City. That's a strange name. But, so you've got your protractor here, which a lot of these sort of rulers do have that. I really like this. It's very, what is the Vaporwave sort of music? If you Google Vaporwave on YouTube and you find music, you usually get this sort of vibe, which I really love. And then it opens up to a 30 centimeter ruler. We have some pens. So we have pencil here, which is, if you guys watch me for any length of time, you know that I'm not going to be sharpening this or using it. But I will say this is not a standard gray lead pencil. It's red. So I guess it's like a coloring pencil, maybe. Or it's just a standard red pencil. Either way, I'm not going to use it just yet because I don't really have a need for it. And then I think I have, no, I don't know if I have these ones or not, but this is a 2-line pen. Actually, I'll show a close-up of this when we test it at the end of the video. And then we've got some post-it notes, really, really cute post-it notes. Let me take it out. These are really beautiful post-it notes, and you can fold it. There's a fold line here. Okay, there's like 2 fold lines, so you can fold it kind of like this, and then close it up, and there's like a little lip here to do this. There we go. Little twin stars. So cute. And then what are these? These look like rings? Yeah. Okay. It says here to keep your fingers safe from paper cuts. So I guess you wear them to protect your fingertips? I could see that, although it's a little big for me, so it's literally going to come down to here. I don't know if that's really going to do much. I assume that you'd want to protect your fingertips here as you're like working or anything. These are large though, so I don't know whether they come in different sizes. I assume so. But yeah, I find it strange. It's a little bit, I mean, maybe I'm just a small person, but I like the idea. It's kind of, I've never heard of that before, protecting your fingers from paper cuts. It's kind of cool. And then the last item I think is a notebook. Yeah, okay. And then the last item is this notebook. I don't know why. It's so cute. I love that there's like the back of the penguin and then you've got the penguin. But yeah, with most Japanese notebooks, you start from the back typically, so it's like flipped the other way, and then it's a blank notebook, so you could use it for anything. Awesome. All right, so that is everything in the June Inku box. Let's go try out that pen. So the really cool thing about this pen is that there's actually 2 felt tips on it. I'm not sure how far up I can bring this before it doesn't focus, but can you see like there's 2 in there? And I think one is purple color, this one here, and there's a blue. So you can write them together, or you can kind of tilt the pen and only use one. So let's try using both. It's kind of cool. You can see both colors, but if you just use one side and you flip it the other way, you can just utilize one over the other. You don't need to use both. I hope that's like not too blurry. I can't actually tell from the viewfinder, but yeah, hopefully that's in focus. So yeah, it's kind of a really cool concept, and I really love these colors as well. So that is pretty much everything in June's box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.